Hello and welcome to our Photoshop channel. In today's video from the Photoshop series, we are going to see how to create this great pyramid from any triangular surface, and we will see how to make it professional. We will be using the perspective verb. First, to understand what is the perspective verb, let's say that we have this road banner and we need to tilt it around its axis. So we will select this one, this panel, okay, and we will go to Edit, Perspective Verb, and we will make the perspective verb selection around the center line, roughly around the center line, because we are not that much fascinated with this drawing for now. Enter, it is selected. Now, the point that you will select will be the only moving point, and the other points will be kept constant relative to this point. So if I move this point, you can see that it is rotating all around this, while all the other points are kept fixed. If I move this point, it will continue to rotate this way, and so on. So if I like to make it like this, so you can, that you move one point relative to the other fixed points. So if we go now to create our own pyramid from any image or from any triangle we have, we will go new guide layout just to move correctly. Then we will use the pen tool and we will use a nice filling. Okay, we will start drawing our triangle from here till the middle. We will go this way. Okay, now I'm having my triangle. I need to rasterize my layer to be able to use the verb. So Alt L, Z L. Okay, now I need to bend this triangle to make it like a pyramid, making the correct perspective. So I'll make another copy because the pyramid is having two sides, while on this side, which are both now rasterized, I'll use the edit my perspective verb. I will select it till the middle of the pyramid. Enter. Now the point that I move will be the only moving point. The other points will be kept constant. So I'll move this one to this dimension. Maybe before moving it, I'm showing you how you can move it. It will be changed all in the perspective. The dimensions will change. So you can see that this side, you can see here that this side, the dimension of the blocks we are using or the squares we are using, the dimensions of the icons of the music icon is changing based on the perspective around the central line. So it is going smaller here and bigger to this side based on the perspective I'm using. So just I will turn it and make Ctrl Z, escape, and then first I will half my image. So just this will save us some time in the end. Okay, then I'll make delete. Okay, Ctrl D. I will go to the other image and I will delete the other half. Delete. Okay, let me start working with this half first. So I will go to Edit, Perspective Verb. I'll select till the middle of the image, enter, and then I will click and drag this point for two squares. That's why I'm making the grid layout, so I can make my dimensions correct, and then I'll press enter. I will go to the other half of the pyramid and I will do the same. I will go to the other half of the pyramid and I will do the same. Edit, Perspective Verb. I will start from the middle also. Then I will press enter, and then I will click and drag this point for two squares also. Enter. Now, when you put the two halves together, you have a great pyramid in scene with the correct perspectives. If you have some writing and so on this pyramid, or engraved some writing on this pyramid, you can see it exactly in the correct perspective, professional wise. Now it's appearing as a pyramid. If you like, you can add one line in the middle. This can help you show your case better. So just drag a line from here to there and then enter. and now you have a perfect pyramid. Let me meet incoming videos with more basic but professional ideas and profound to learn the Photoshop basics. Join the channel, subscribe, spread the information. See you in coming videos.